Introduction: How Volcanoes Erupt. Welcome to another thrilling adventure with Zog. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most powerful forces of nature, volcanoes. Have you ever wondered how these fiery mountains explode with lava and ash? Get ready to learn all about what happens beneath the Earth's surface and what causes these incredible eruptions. The formation of a volcano. Deep under the Earth, there are massive reservoirs of molten rock called magma chambers. When the pressure inside these chambers builds up, the magma searches for a way to escape. And guess what? When it finds a weak spot in the Earth's crust, a volcano is born. It's like a giant valve releasing pressure through an eruption. What causes eruptions? But how exactly does an eruption happen? Well, when the pressure in the magma chamber becomes too intense, it forces the magma upwards. As it rises, gases trapped in the magma expand, causing the ground to crack open. Boom! Magma bursts out as lava, and ash clouds are sent flying into the sky. Types of eruptions. Not all eruptions are the same. There are two main types of volcanic eruptions: explosive and effusive, each with distinct characteristics. Explosive eruptions occur when magma is thick and rich in silica, making it highly viscous. This type of magma traps volcanic gases, causing immense pressure to build up beneath the Earth's surface. When this pressure is released, it results in a violent explosion, sending gases, ash, and volcanic rock fragments into the air. These eruptions are known for their destructive power, often producing dangerous pyroclastic flows and ash clouds that can travel long distances. Famous examples include the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980 and Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. On the other hand, effusive eruptions involve magma that is low in silica and less viscous. This allows the gases to escape more easily, resulting in a steady flow of lava rather than an explosion. Effusive eruptions tend to be less hazardous, with lava slowly oozing out of fissures or vents and spreading across the landscape. This type of eruption is typical of Hawaiian volcanoes, such as Kilauea, where lava continuously flows, creating broad shield volcanoes. The impact of eruptions. When a volcano erupts, it can cause destruction, but it also creates new land. Lava flows can form new islands, and the ash from eruptions makes soil more fertile over time. Nature is full of amazing cycles, and volcanoes are a huge part of that. Let's explore the rainforests of Hawaii, where volcanic eruptions not only reshape the landscape, but also create pockets of life called Kipuka. These Kipuka serve as natural seed banks. When a volcano erupts, the lava flow surrounds parts of the rainforest, but leaves these small pockets of land untouched. Inside these Kipuka, the forest thrives, preserving plant species and biodiversity, which later helps regenerate the surrounding land once the lava cools and the soil recovers. Let's travel to the lush rainforests of Hawaii, where volcanic eruptions bring both destruction and creation. When lava flows from the active volcanoes in the Hawaiian Islands, it doesn't just bury the land beneath it, it also leaves behind small, untouched pockets of forest. These special areas are called Kipuka. Kipuka are like islands of life, where the rainforest survives, surrounded by cooled lava fields. Here, plants and trees grow thick and tall, untouched by the destructive force of lava. The rich volcanic soil provides perfect conditions for new life to thrive. This natural cycle of destruction and rebirth is what makes Hawaii's rainforests so unique and vibrant. Volcanoes in Hawaii, like Kilauea, continue to shape the landscape even today. Over time, the lava cools and solidifies, forming new land that can eventually support life, much like the Kipuka. These rainforests represent resilience in nature and show how life always finds a way to grow, even in the harshest conditions. The volcanic eruptions in Hawaii release gases that could be harmful, but these ancient rainforests have adapted in fascinating ways. The trees in these areas are particularly resilient. They can hold their breath, so to speak, for up to 2 weeks. How do they do this? Their ability to survive comes from slowing down their respiration process. allowing them to withstand the volcanic fumes and ash that might otherwise suffocate them. But what's even more incredible is the life lesson we can take from this. Just like the trees that endure the suffocating gases and still find a way to thrive, life teaches us that in the face of adversity, resilience and patience can help us survive even the most challenging times. The forest, despite being surrounded by destruction, continues to grow stronger in the heart of Kipuka. It's a reminder that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to persist and flourish. Conclusion, and that's how volcanoes erupt. They're a force of nature that reminds us how powerful our planet really is. The next time you hear about a volcanic eruption, you'll know all about the magma, the pressure, and the explosions happening beneath the Earth's surface. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. But wait, here are some fun facts about volcanoes. Did you know that volcanoes aren't just destructive? They also contribute to the Earth's beauty and life cycle. Some of the most fertile soils in the world are found around volcanoes, making them ideal for farming. In fact, vineyards in places like Italy and volcanic islands like Santorini thrive thanks to volcanic ash-enriched soil. In Hawaii, lava flowing into the sea creates new land. Believe it or not, some volcanic eruptions are so quiet and smooth that people can walk close to the cooling lava flows. Though not recommended, here's another cool fact. Around 80% of the Earth's surface above and below the ocean is formed by volcanic activity. Even the air we breathe contains gases that originally came from ancient volcanoes. There are also volcanoes and moons on other planets. For example, Mars has Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Volcanoes even occur underwater. These underwater eruptions help create entire islands over millions of years. Volcanoes are truly full of surprises. If this video added value to your life, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Until next time, goodbye.